Hey everyone, how's it going? Brandon here. So today we're gonna do an unboxing. This is the Klarwind 100 air purifier, and you might be wondering why I'm doing an unboxing on an air purifier, because I think this bad boy is pretty much needed for this time of year. You know, it's also needed year-round, but this time of year is always good because we're indoors all the time. And what happens indoors? Well, lots of dust and lots of stuff is in our house. So this is going to help us clear out our house and make us breathe a little easier without getting sick. That's for sure. Now, I'm not going to say that it's going to remove bacteria and all other stuff, but you know, dust is a big component to when you're getting sick, and this bad boy is going to help us out. So, the Klarwind 100, why did I get it? Well, one, I was looking on Amazon. This is originally $119, and there was a coupon, and I think it's still active, so make sure you check out the link below to see if you can get it for $60, and I think this is a pretty good steal for a 5-stage air purifier. Now, the carbon filter is going to take care of 3 of those, and then of course you have 2 other filters that are washable usually, and this is going to be put in the baby's room. Now this is for small rooms up to 145 square feet, so if you're getting anything larger than that, they do make larger scale models of this. I believe it's the 200 and the 300 as well, but this one's going to take care of all your needs inside just pretty much bedrooms in general. So I'm gonna put this in our baby's room just because I think it'll help him out a lot. And the first thing we come into is the power adapter, which looks like a pretty good size length. I'm gonna say it's probably 6 or 7 feet in length. We have some just general knowledge stuff, a little manual packet, good old styrofoam. We love this stuff. This is our favorite part. Absolutely hate it. And here comes the air purifier. So here's the air purifier all together, nicely wrapped in some plastic. So the inputs are on the sides, output is up top, and definitely has a manufacturer smell for sure, but pretty much everything has a manufacturer smell when you first get it. It has 3 settings, a low, a high, and a sleep. I'm not exactly sure what the sleep, but I think the sleep means that it's gonna do a very, very low noise fan, so when you're sleeping you can still run this, but it's not gonna affect the quality too much. Now high, obviously dual circulation, it's coming in both sides. It's gonna bring in a lot of air, and it's gonna output a lot of air. So pretty much simple. The design of it is pretty sleek and compact. I mean, it's pretty much tabletop size. In general, I would say it's about 12 inches high and roughly 8 inches across each way on the top and the side. So here and here is 8 inches. Height probably about 12 to 14 inches, I would say. Now, I'm not exactly sure how to open it, but maybe I'll find a way, so give me 1 second to do that. Alright, after some looking for everything, I actually found it. It's on the bottom. It says open and close right there, so I haven't seen some type like this. Usually you pull out the side or whatever, but from the bottom, you just lift that up. 1 filter there. 2 filters, see? And these are the same filters. I guess that's what makes the dual circulation. And let's take off this plastic. So here's the filter without the plastic on it. And as you can see, it's a Hepa filter and a carbon filter. So we're just going to stick those back in, put them in place, And what we will do is we're actually going to turn it on. I'm going to do some sound tests to see how it sounds. And after that, I'm going to conclude this video. So put this in there. Voila, perfect. Put that on. Turn it. Ready to go. Get our power adapter. Alright, and now that it's plugged in, let's go ahead and turn it on and see how loud this bad boy is. So, okay, this is sleep mode. Wow, you can't. From here to here, probably about 12 inches, can't hear it at all. If you're right up on it, definitely feel it. You're probably going to have to run it for about 2 hours to get the manufacturer smell out of it. But after that, I think it should be perfectly fine. So let's go to the next setting. Okay, low, little louder, obviously. Not too loud. Definitely a little lower than like an oscillating fan. And high isn't too much louder either. I mean, this is probably what an oscillating fan sounds like, and dang, it's blowing my hair, that's for sure. So a few more things on the Klarwind Air Purifier is that the filter life on these is 150 hours, while the machine in total can run up to 3,000 hours in general for the lifespan of it. If you use the sleep mode, the light on here will actually go off in about 5 seconds, so you don't have to worry about a light annoying you at night if you're one of those people like me where you need complete darkness. But I do like the noise, so it's a little counterintuitive. I would probably run this on high if the light went off as well, but who knows if it actually does. And it doesn't look like it does on the high mode. So if you put on the sleep mode, it will go off in 5 seconds. So you don't have to worry about that. Other than that, I think this is a great buy for $60. Make sure you check the link in the description below if you're thinking of purchasing this. Other than that, that's all I have for this air purifier. I'm going to go set this up in the baby room. And until next time, I'll see you guys later. Take it easy, take care of yourself, enjoy the holidays, and bye-bye now.